All you need to do is right-click on here and press Save the Image As. Download it on your desktop and come over here and upload the photo that you downloaded, and you will earn money. As easy as that. You can do it around the globe. And the good thing is, you don't need any experience, money, or even a credit card to replicate this strategy. In this video, I will be showing you how you can earn $500 or more with absolute ease. You will just download the images, upload them, and you're done. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. I will be introducing 3 websites where we can obtain pictures and one and only website wherein we can re-upload the images and earn hundreds of money online. The first website that I will be showing you is Google. Just go to Google and browse for sunset, for example, and go to images. We all know that we can use all of these images here, but not all of us know that using these photos without filtering will not allow us to make money. To have copyright-free images on Google, all you need to do is go to the upper portion of the site and click on Tools. Then press on Usage Rights. And lastly, select Creative Commons licenses. After doing that process, Google will now display all the copyright-free images that we can use whenever and wherever we are. And the insane thing is, we will use it to earn hundreds of dollars online. All you need to do here is choose the best photos and download them. To download these photos is simply click on the image and make a right click and press Save As. You can save as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the more money you will earn. The second website wherein we can obtain copyright-free images is unsplash.com. If you want to search for something on this website, just enter your searches on this search bar. In my case, just like what I searched on Google, I will also search on sunset. We can use all these images on this website without any copyright strikes. To download this image, just simply click it and maneuver your mouse on the upper right portion of the site and click on Download. You may also choose a certain resolution by clicking on this icon right here, but I humbly recommend that you will always choose the original size. As you can observe, they also show you related searches on sunset right here. They suggest sunrise, pink sky, night clouds, and so on. The third and last website wherein we can find images is pexels.com. This website is also giving you all these images for completely free. And the insane thing is, you can use it without any copyright strikes. To download these images here, just do a simple right click and on the upper portion, you will see the download. Just simply press on it. I suggest that you download plenty of images from these 3 websites. Around 50 images will be your minimum. I came up with the idea that you will download as many as you can to earn more. As I said earlier, the more images you can upload, the more money you can earn. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The platform that will actually pay us is Clicksnap.com. This is the website wherein we can re-upload all of the images we got for the previous site. As you read this one, at Clicksnap, we provide the best online photo sharing platform to help you share your images and get paid for it. With over 1 million image views per day, Clicksnap is home to a photo community that allows you to promote your photos and grow your profile while keeping full control and rights over your images. It's never been easier to get paid for sharing photos. Now you have your conclusion on what this website is all about. For us to have a further understanding of how this website works, just click on this one, how it works. After doing so, you will see here that you get paid when your photos are viewed. Yes, you're right. You would earn money if someone viewed your photo. As you scroll a little bit, you will see how much you can earn. And this says that you can earn 0.60 cents for every view. You will think that how can I earn hundreds of dollars if one view is only 60 cents? Well, as you can see here, there are 2 million images viewed per day. Let's do the calculation. You only need 1% of that viewed image for you to earn 1,200 US dollars. It's totally insane. That's why a while ago, I always said that the more images, the more money. Because the more images you have on this platform, the more chances that it will be viewed. Maybe you will ask in your mind why those companies didn't come to websites that offer copyright-free images. It's because they didn't know about it. Maybe you also didn't know it before watching this video. If you scroll a little bit, you will see the process of how you can earn. First, you need to upload your images. And second, users will view your photos. And lastly, get paid. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Because until you watch this part of this video, I will give you a tip for choosing the best categories of images for you to have high chances that your image will be viewed. All you need to do is to look for the featured categories on this website. This platform will automatically create categories that are frequently searched. To do that, just go back to the homepage of this site and click on the marketplace. And on the next page, you can see these featured categories. The most searches done on this websites were animals, coastal, nature, street photography, people, and so on. The best thing you need to consider in downloading images from these 3 websites is the most viewed categories in order for you to have more chances of earning hundreds of dollars. For you to start uploading your images, just simply click on sign up on the upper right portion of the site. And on the next page, you will be signing up on your account using Facebook, Google, or Twitter. After creating your brand new account, you can start uploading hundreds of images and start earning money in a passive manner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.